this lecture we will learn that how can we handle files in Python. In simple words, we will learn file handling in Python means how to read, how to open, how to write, and how to append files in Python. So I have done this code in Jupyter Notebook in VS Code, so I will explain it to you thoroughly. Now, how to open the file. First, you have to create a file in text editor or any other in the form of text in your laptop. So for opening that file in Python, you have to do this. You have to write this code. First, you have to write with open, and then in the small brackets you have to write the name of this file. As this file is stored in your computer, so when you just enter the first or second letter of your file, automatically it will give you that file, and you will just press enter, and you will get the name of the file. Then if you want to simply read that file in Python, so you will just write R. But please note that this method is only for those files which are only done in text mode, which have only text, no images, no other things. So after writing with open and then writing the file name and then opening the file in the read mode, then you will have to name that file in Python. So I have named it with open as file. File means I have given this file with this dummy file which I have created. I have give this name as file. Then I want to read this file, so I have to write. I have to use the read mode of this Python. I have stored it in variable in the form of content. Content is equal to file.read. So for reading mode, for using the read mode, I have to use this code, and then I print content, and then I am running this file. So I have run this code, so it gives me this. It gives me those things which were written in this file. So now I will open the dummy file. So I have opened the dummy file in which I have written the BG, the British Gravitational System, and the SI International System. So I have written this text in the dummy file, and I want to open it in the Jupyter Notebook. So I have run this code, and it gives me the whole thing. You can see the whole text which were written in this file. Now this was about the read mode. Now how can we append, means write some more things, write some more text in this file. So for that you have to first create a variable in which you have to store that text or that thing which you want to increase or which you want to add to that file. So I have created the name, a variable in the name A. I have written this. You can write any other thing. I can write hello, welcome. Let's change this text slightly. Welcome to the Python course of this channel Scholar Space. So I have use a variable in which I have stored this text. Then I am opening this file with open terminal file, and I will use append mode here. I will use A means append mode. Append mode means to overwrite or to increase the text, or add the text, or you can say add the text in this file as file. I have also named this thing as file. I have provided a variable in the name of Jelani and file.write A. Print Jelani. I have to run this code. Okay. Now I have run this code, and then I will go to the demo file. Here in the last line you can see welcome to the Python course of this channel, Scholar Space, and you can also see welcome to the Python this channel, welcome to the Python course of this Scholar Space. So what I have written in this variable, it just simply added to that demo file. Okay, so this was the concept about appending file. Now I will show you that how to overwrite in files. Overwrite means if you use overwrite mode for file handling, you will get a new file. Means your whole text in that file will be deleted, and you will be just provided with that thing which you want to store. For example, I have used the code, and here I will use write mode. Write mode means override mode as file, and then I have created a variable in the name of the jars and is equal to file.write, and I want to write this thing, this whole thing, and then I am printing in jars. So I have printed it. Now I will go to that demo file. So I will see that the whole text which I have stored in it is deleted now. It is deleted. Okay, only that text which I am overwriting is present here. So then come to this. In many cases, when you are opening a file, in some cases that file may not be present in your computer, or you may write the wrong name of that file. So in that case you use this code. First you use the keyword try, and then open that file in the read mode, and then just write this code except file not found error. Okay, it's also the keyword. So then if the file is not found, then it will give us the error, the file does not exist, or simply it will give us the IO error. Okay, if the file is not found, then it will give us the thing that file does not exist. It will not provide us with the error. It will just simply say that file is not found if you use this code. Okay, so use this code if you are not sure that your file is not present in your laptop. For example, I have not created a file in the name of example. Okay, and I am writing this, that I am opening this file. So I am running this code. Okay, so if I do not use this code, then it will just simply say, then it will just provide me with the error. But in order to save yourself from the error, you just open this file and the file does not exist. It means, but you already know that I have created the file, demo.py. Okay, so I am running this code, and what I have written in this file, this thing, so this thing was 22. In the next lecture, inshallah, we will try to know that how we can open PDF files in Python, Jupyter Notebook PDF files. Okay, so for opening PDF files, you have to do one thing that I am now telling to you. So for doing this, you have to install all these things. Okay, before going to that lecture, you have to install this %pip install pypdf2. You have to install this thing in your Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab or PyCharm. You have to install this thing %pip install reportlab. These are the libraries which will help us to open PDF files. Similarly, you have to install this thing pdfminer.6. Okay, and then you have to install this thing, this library tesseract. It will open images and all these things and which are present in that file PDF. You have also to install PDF Miner. So you have to install all these libraries, so you will be prepared for the next lecture then. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel, and Allah Hafiz for now.